For this lesson, let's talk about insufficient information and comparisons. So sometimes we have problems that they don't give us enough information, and so what they do give us, we're not able to find the answer or solution. So, like this problem, let me write it down. Okay, so let's say a 6-pound bag of apples costs $5.32. What is the average price of each apple? Oh goodness. Okay, so we don't know how many apples are in the bag, and whenever we find average, we need to know how many to divide by. So we don't have enough information to find the average. So for this problem, it would be insufficient information. Okay, and so for comparisons, we've practiced comparing numbers using the greater than symbol, less than symbol, and equal symbol. And so we're going to consider problems with these where we would use these symbols, but also see if we have enough information to make that comparison. So for this example, let's say the numbers x and y are integers. So now we want to compare. X, is it greater than, equal to, or less than y? So all we know is that they're integers, so they can be on the number line at any of these tick marks. But we don't have any other way to say x is greater than y, or y is greater than x, or that they're equal. So we don't have enough information to decide what the answer is here. So this would be another insufficient information problem. For this problem, let's say y is positive and x is negative. So now let's compare. So let's look at this number line. We just knowing that 1 is negative, it's going to be on this side of the number line. So it could be, x could be any of these numbers here, right? And y is positive, so y is going to be any number greater than 0. So we can compare these, and we can say that y is greater than x because all positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. So we do have enough information to compare these. Now, let's do compare, let's do A and B if A minus B equals 0. So this is all we have to go off of here. We have this equation. And so you can say a couple things. You can say any number minus another number equaling 0 means that the numbers are the same. So 3 minus 3, 1 minus 1, 100 minus 100. Or you can get the A by itself, where you would add B to both sides to balance the equation, and it would then go to A equals B. So these would be equal. And that's all that I have for this lesson. Let me know if you have any questions.